Pronunciation of Italian vowels. Come si pronuncia? How does one pronounce it? This chapter will address the important aspects of Italian pronunciation. There are two kinds of sounds in any language: vowels and consonants. Vowels are produced by expelling air through the mouth without blockage. The letters that represent these sounds in Italian are the same as those used in English: A, E, I, O, U. Because Italian and English use many of the same alphabet characters, be careful. Some sounds represented by certain letters in Italian are different from the sounds those letters represent in English. Also, stressed vowels, vowels bearing the main accent, in Italian are not pronounced with a glide as in English, such as the added W sound in the middle of the word going. A. A is pronounced like the English A in father, or as in the exclamation ah. Anna, Anna, Anne, and Anna. Here are a few more Italian names that start with this vowel: Arturo, Arturo, Arthur; Arnaldo, Arnaldo, Arnold; Andrea, Andrea, Andrea; Amelia, Amelia, Amelia. E is pronounced like the E in bet, or as in the exclamation E. Emma, Emma, Emma. Here are a few more Italian names that start with this vowel: Erminia, Erminia; Hermione; Eduardo, Eduardo; Edward; Eleonora, Eleonora; Eleanor; Elena, Elena; Helen. I is pronounced like the I sound in machine, or as in the exclamation E. Ida, Ida, Ida. Here are a few more Italian names that start with this vowel: Irma, Irma; Irma; Ignazio, Ignazio; Ignatius; Ilaria, Ilaria; Hillary. O is pronounced like the O sound in sorry, or as in the exclamation O, as in otto, otto, auto. Here are a few more Italian names that start with this vowel: Orlando, Orlando; Roland; Olivia, Olivia, Olivia; Omero, Omero; Homer; Orfeo, Orfeo, Orpheus. U is pronounced like the oo sound in boot, or as in the exclamation oo. Ugo, Ugo; Hugh and Hugo. Here are a few more Italian names that start with this vowel: Uberto, Uberto; Hubert; Umberto, Umberto; Humbert; Ulisse, Ulisse; Ulysses. Differences in pronunciation. The vowels E and O are pronounced differently in various parts of Italy. In some regions, they are spoken with the mouth more open; in others, more closed. In many areas, however, both pronunciations are used. This is analogous to how the English A in tomato is pronounced in North America. In some areas, it is pronounced like the A in father. In others, it is pronounced like the A in pay. However, whether it is pronounced one way or another, no one will have much difficulty understanding that the word is still tomato. Similarly, whether Elena is pronounced with the first E open, similar to the English word lead, or closed, similar to the English word bet, Italians will still know it is the same word. Diphthongs. The Italian letter I stands for a sound similar to the English Y in yes if it comes before a stressed vowel. Similarly, the letter U stands for a sound similar to the English W in way if it comes before a stressed vowel. This type of syllable is called a diphthong. Biagio, Bianca, Pietro, Guido, Pasquale, Biagio, Blaze, Bianca, Blanche, Bianca, Pietro, Pietro, Peter, Guido, Guido, Guy, Pasquale, Pasquale, Pascal. Be careful. Some words I and U are pronounced as belonging to a separate syllable, even if followed by another vowel. In Italian, there is no accent mark to show this feature. Maria, Maria, Mary, Vittorio, Vittorio, Victor, Luigi, Luigi, Louis. In most words, the stress, main accent, falls on the next to last syllable. Ornella, 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 Arturo, Arturo, Arthur. But again, be careful, this is not always the case. Elena, Elena, Helen, Agatha, 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 Cesare, Cesare, Caesar. Some words are written with an accent on the final vowel. This means, of course, that you must put the main stress on that vowel. Niccolò, Niccolò, Nicholas.